Hey, those blinkers in the hood, check that out. Road trip update number 1, testing out the new GoPro Hero 8. Check out that huge hood view on the GT. Dude, I cannot stress it enough. Mustangs just hit different. I am shook at this muscle car life. And especially for a road trip, I've never driven something this comfortable because engines at 2K RPM. Wow, look how nice this new road is outside of Gila Bend. It's crazy, like, I threw on some country music, didn't feel stupid. It got the big hood, you know, I'm feeling like a man. One of the comments on the first video was watching, something along the lines of watching you turn from a boy to a man. That's literally how it feels. If I want to pass someone, I can just wrap out third gear and just lift the front end up and just raw. See ya. Dang. See, look at this view right here. I'm like, oh, I want to pass someone. I'm in 6th gear. I'm just like, grab. The thing I love too is it's so, I'm just like coming from tuners, like I'm just so not used to the like top speed stuff, like all I gotta do is just wrap out third and I'm just like cannot stop smiling. Like that is literally me off camera every single time. When I was picking up this camera earlier, there was a little side road next to the freeway and I hugged like 1st through 4th and I was cooking. And I was just literally laughing by myself. I'm like, this is just hysterical. Like, what in the world? For you guys that have tuners right now, like, it just feels right. Maybe just for our generation, maybe just for our type, like especially me. Like I was moving the Subaru around today and I was like, this just feels right. But I'm really digging this. I kind of almost want to see what comes of it. Maybe we'll have to keep one of these around since my cousin Justin has one down the street. And when we all go out, maybe I just want to run the Mustang with the boys, you know, get some freeway stuff going on. But around town, yeah, you just can't beat the Subaru. Like it's just the blow off, the flutter, the freaking turbo, the rumble, the 4 doors, the seating position is just nice. So it's been real interesting. I got the Bob Armor phone mount. I'll link in the description. This actually works really well, better than I thought it would on this car. Now I heat it up. I'll show you guys actually. So this is like, we have the clip on the back of the phone, like that. That's our magnet. I didn't even glue it. I just put it in between the case, and then this right here is a little magnet you put on, and I just heated up the adhesive with a heat gun, and it pressed on this curved part pretty well, good enough to hold the phone. So pretty stoked on that. And then this guy has like a swivel on it. You can all go even like 90 degrees on it. So I'll have that linked in the description. Give you a little update when the sun's coming down, show you the view. That Mustang. Road trip life. Any other day I would be hauling the mail, but after just this quick, after making a new purchase and hearing there's cops on the road, my wallet's just like, yeah, you don't really want to pay for a ticket right now. So I got my radar detector with me. If you don't have one of those, I'll link it in the description as well for Amazon. Highly recommend. It actually saved my butt as I was leaving Phoenix. It picked it up in Maricopa, and I slowed down. There's quite a few radar detector videos on my channel way back, and they're pretty useful. I would go check those out if you don't know much about them. If you have some questions in your head that have popped up, go through my channel quite a ways back and find it and learn about it, because they are helpful, but they aren't like, you know, 100% guaranteed going to save you from getting a ticket. Cattle crossing. Just got the thumbnail. Another thing that I was thinking about that I was just like feeling while I was driving this that's new is the vibration in the floorboard from a V8 is different as well. It has a nice like, it's like holding you like cozy, like don't worry, I'm not gonna brake. You're not running me very hard right now. Just keep going, which is kind of nice. You feel like you could drive this car, you could drive this car literally across the country 4 times in a row and it probably wouldn't even give you a hiccup. I'm also not even a half tank of gas and I'm getting 21 miles per gallon, which impressive. Getting out to take a piss in the bushes. This is a great time to show you those blinkers in the hood. Check that out. It's pretty sick. Oh, we got our pony on the ground. Check that out. I hate that double honk thing. Stupid Fords. It's a good looking car. Can't wait to get those stripes off. Let's look at the back. That's a good view. Look at that. In the middle of nowhere, give her a little rev. Woo, spicy. Just pulled into Yuma. We got 83 miles to empty, 188 miles total trip, 20 miles per gallon. We're looking pretty good. It's my brother's friend Ray. It's his B-day. Everything's closed because of lockdown. And they got Chick-fil-A and they went and wanted to park out in the middle of the empty parking lot at the mall. So I'm gonna go meet them and show them the car. What's up, ladies? 1,000.
That's it? There was a sheriff right there.
Should I go look?
Yeah, just go look. Yeah, just go look real.
Any cops? Don't see anyone. Just see a brother. Let me put her in track mode real quick. We'll do.
Don't slam into a curb. Yeah, don't. Hey, don't break it. God. Those tires are really sticky. Nice. Dude, I love the sound of the Coyote motor.
Oh, yeah, boys. That car drives nice, dude. That was fun. I whipped it back. I was like, wow. Happy birthday, Ray.
Hey, happy birthday.
Oh, some good tire marks. Yeah. Outside.
That Coyote motor sounds so nasty, dude. I love it.
I just learned something. Watch what happens to the gauges when we're about the red line.